Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to change language in XL 365. So here I'll be teaching you how to change your language in XL 365. So I have two ways for to do this to change your language in XL 365. So we're gonna go with the first way. So first way to change your language 365 is by going to File, and then while you're here in the file, click on Options right here. Once you're here at the options, go click on Language just below Save. After clicking on language, you can add the office display language right here. Clicking that, and then choose a language which you want. Let's say, for example, Filipino, and then you will click on install, then click on OK, then there you go. Checking for updates and blah 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 blah. So there you go, that will go, and then we'll download. After it downloads, you will just need to click on the language and click on set as preferred. After that, doing that, click on OK. After clicking OK, you will have to close your XL for it to be applied. And now the second thing is, let's say you've already changed everything right that, but you want to change this right here. The wordings right here, the words in your let's say the words right here. Let's say hello, how are you? Let's say you want to change like these words into also Filipino. Let's say you've downloaded a sheet that is English, but you want everything to be like a Filipino language, even the Excel, even the words there. So all you need to do is select the row, which you make go make another row. Right? Let's say, for example, that here at letter C. Then we're gonna click on equal sign, then translate. Then after here, put in the text right here. So we need to press on that right there. Then we're gonna put in a comma. Just follow this right here, comma. Then source language. So source language is English. So we're gonna put in quote en. Then enter right there. Now don't click enter. Click on tab. Then we're gonna put in another comma. Then we're gonna make the target. We're gonna change it into Filipino. So we're gonna put in what do you call this, open and close I mean the quote, and then Filipino, then click on tab, then close parenthesis, then click on enter. Kamusta ka? So there you go, guys. As you can see now, the how are you became kamusta ka. Now it's now a Filipino word. So there you go, guys. That's how you do it. So I hope you guys the video, guys enjoyed. And if you have any more questions, type it down in the comment section below, and there. So there you go, guys. If you have any more questions about changing, how to change that or this, and your Excel, just type it down in the comment section below here in Guide Games, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you, guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.